everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you are well and looking forward to Christmas and everything. Today I thought I would do a Christmas gift guide video because I love Christmas and I love buying presents. So I've got some little bits here. You've got a little sneak peek, and I have my little Christmas tree. Do you like? I actually nicked it from downstairs, to be honest. Well, like downstairs is still my house, it's my mum's. I didn't steal anything, don't you worry. But yeah, I thought I should make my room a little bit festive because there's like no Christmas decorations in my room at all. My whole house though is completely Christmased out, like lights out the front of the house, out the back, all in the house. Like my mum is obsessed with Christmas, but my room is like not Christmassy at all. So I thought I'd steal the little Christmas tree so we have a little bit of festive kind of feels going on. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing a beauty gift guide. So I think I'm going to do another gift guide as well, which might already be up, or it might be up tomorrow, which is going to be like other stuff. But today it's like makeup, beauty, skincare, that kind of thing. But I hope it gives you some inspiration if you're struggling with what to get for people, or if you don't know what to ask for yourself. You might find something in this video that you like. Okay, first thing I have is this little Zoeva little gift set. I do love Zoeva makeup. I do think it's really good, and their eyeshadows. So they came out with this little set, which is the Spice of Life kit. Let me like open it so you can actually see what's inside. Yeah, so you get this eyeshadow palette. These are all the colours, which just looks like this. So it's like a highlighter and a blush, and then you also get a lip liner and a liquid lipstick in this set, and let me see how much it is. Okay, so altogether it is £38, but I do think you can get the things separately as well. So even if you just like the look of, say, like the eyeshadow palette, it does come separately, and they do have some other gift sets as well. So I'll put them on the screen now just to help you with a little bit more inspo if maybe this one is not up your street but you like the idea. Next up we have something a bit cheaper. This is from the Body Shop. I love everything from the Body Shop. I feel like if you don't know what to get someone, just go in the Body Shop. They have the best gift sets. So I've got this little one here, which is the Berry Bonbon one, I think. So it comes in like such a little cute sack, and then inside you get a little body butter, you get a little hand cream, a little shower gel, and then also an exfoliating thing. Is that what this is? So you get these 4 products in the little bag, and that is £18. But like I said, the Body Shop have so many gift sets, so I'll put some up on the screen now, and I think they range from like £5–10 up to like £40–50. So whatever your budget is, I'm sure you'll find something from there. So one of my favourite makeup brands that is a little bit more luxury is Charlotte Tilbury. They just have the best products, and the packaging and everything, it's so like luxurious when you get it. So I think they make like the perfect gifts, because it's something I personally don't really buy myself because it is the kind of higher price range. So I will put some of the gift sets on the screen now because I know they have some amazing ones. But even if you didn't want to get one of them, I love the idea of putting together your own little gift set. So you can buy these boxes from Charlotte Tilbury. I think they're about £3–4 online, so not expensive at all. And then you can kind of fill it with some of like your little favourite products, so you can customise it to whatever budget you have and also kind of what that person's into. So a few of my favourite Charlotte Tilbury products is the Magic Cream, and look at the packaging, like comes like that, and then you open it and yeah, there's the cream. But this is amazing. I use it before like putting on my foundation and at night and everything. And then also the Film Star Bronze and Glow, another one of my favourites. Again, the packaging like rose gold, and that's what it looks like on the inside. And also if you're kind of looking for maybe a bit cheaper products, then their lip liners are really good. I love the Pillow Talk lip liner, and this is the one I've got on at the moment actually. And also their lipsticks are really good as well. This is in the shade, what is this? This is Penelope Pink, which is one of my favourites. It's like a really nice nude. So yeah, if you are looking for just maybe a little bit cheaper, then these are really good. And if you do order online, everything does come really nicely like wrapped in like purple tissue paper and all of that. So yeah, Perfume I always think is a great shout for Christmas, because again, it's something I don't really buy myself, but for birthday and Christmas I love receiving them. So this one I have is Dior Joy. I love that with perfumes you can buy like designer brand perfumes, but they are more affordable. Like, there's no way I could afford to buy someone a designer Dior bag, do you know what I mean? But you can buy them like the perfume or some of the makeup or something, and it still has that same kind of luxury feeling to it because it is Dior. So this is the 30ml one, which I think is great. I would always go for the small perfumes if that person hasn't tried it before, because that way if they don't really like it, it's not like you spent £80 on it. So I think this one is about £45, something like that. And then if you want to go for a more affordable kind of price range, this I love. It's from Misguided. It's their Babe Dream perfume. It's £8. You get the little bauble, you get a little pink keyring, and then also a little perfume. I love these like little perfume sizes because they're great for just chucking in your handbag and stuff like that, and having them on the go. So yeah, great present if you're like looking for more of like a stocking filler or on the kind of cheaper side of things. Next up we have a little bit of Elemis. Now I love Elemis. It's kind of more of like a luxury skincare and body care brand, I guess. So this is the Hydrating Beauty Secrets. So it's like a little skincare set, and I love skincare. It's something I've really got into recently. It's one of those things that when I get it, I just can't wait to try it out. So yeah, this is the Hydrating Beauty Secret one. Let me open it up. So this is what is in this little one. Again, Elemis is one of those brands that has so many gift sets. So I'll put some on the screen. This one I chose for me personally. Like, I probably should have given it away considering this is a Christmas gift guide, but yeah, I kind of wanted it to myself. So this is all about hydrating. So you get the cream cleanser, the micellar water, the day cream, and then also a night oil. So yeah, great little skincare set. So let's do this little pink set now, which is so cute. I love the packaging. It's from Spectrum, which do amazing brushes. So let me open it up and I'll show you what is inside, because it's packaged so nicely. So first of all, this is what you see when you open the box. It comes in like a little dust bag. I feel like I'm opening a designer bag or something. But yeah, so then it comes and it has this little bag, which is so cute. It's like pink suede. Then you open that and you have another bag, which is smaller, again with the pink suede and this like green marble effect. And then inside that you have all the brushes. So yes, this is what the kind of brushes look like. They're so nice and soft. I love them. I have one of their other sets as well, which I use all the time. And I feel like makeup brushes make the perfect gift if someone's really into makeup and beauty and you're just not sure what to get them because they have so much stuff. But I feel like you can never have too many brushes. So yeah, definitely look at some of the Spectrum gift sets. This one with everything and like the 2 bags costs £80, I think, so that is on the pricier side. But of course there are a lot more affordable sets on the website, and you can buy these brushes on their own if you just wanted the brushes and not like the bags. And again, you can buy the bags on their own, and also just the brushes like individually, and they start from like probably £3-4. So again, you could almost make a little custom bag and just pick out a few brushes from their website so it fits with your budget. Another present which I feel like is more aimed towards the mums and the aunts and nans out there is this Rituals gift set. So it is their Balancing bestseller gift set. It has a body scrub, shower foam, body cream and hand wash, packaged really nicely. Let me open it up so I can show you kind of what's inside. So this is the inside, and I love this gift set because you get like proper full-size products in it. So that's the kind of like hand wash and the body foam and everything. So yeah, love this gift set. They do a lot of other gift sets as well, and I think they do this exact one but in like mini versions as well. So whatever your price range is, there are some cheaper ones. I think this was, let me have a look how much this one was. So I think this gift set in particular is about £35, but I looked at the little mini ones and I think they start at about £15. So yeah, loads of gift sets, and it smells amazing. I can smell all the products from here and I'm kind of in love. But yeah, love this. Last up we have a little gift set from Benefit. So this gift set is I think £15, which is so good for what you get. So inside you get a little mini Hoola bronzer. Love the like big size one, use it all the time. You have the little California blush and then also the What's Up highlighter. I feel like this is such a great present for if the person's really into makeup or wanting to kind of get into makeup, because you get to try like 3 Benefit products in one. And my mum, I think, is knocking a picture into the wall, so that's what that noise was. I really hope you enjoyed this video and maybe got a little bit of inspo. Of course, everything will be linked down below, and the other gift guide video should already be up, or it should be coming in the next few days, so keep a lookout for that. Yeah, and I hope you all have a lovely Christmas. Bye!